channel. This is Liming. Today we're gonna be making a diet-friendly dessert, blueberry yogurt cake. You won't believe how low calories and carbs the whole cake is, and how easy it is to make this creamy, moist, and buttery cake. And we only need 4 ingredients: the yogurt, your favorite yogurt, eggs, cornstarch, and blueberry. Definitely you can switch to your favorite fruit. And I use honey as an optional because my yogurt is plain. And as usual, I will put all ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions for you to follow along at home. And now let's get started. Place 1 cup of yogurt, give or take, to the baking bowl. And add the 2 eggs. I will add 1 teaspoon honey. It's optional. Then use the whisk to beat the eggs and then mix the mixture. Now the yogurt and eggs are mixed well, then we will sift the cornstarch into this mixture. 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then combine them together. We don't want to see any dry cornstarch in the mixture. Now they are well combined. And do this for several times to get rid of the bubbles. Okay, and next we're gonna add your favorite fruit into the batter. I will add blueberries. Now our blueberry yogurt cake is ready to be baked off at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Wow, it looks so delicious. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to take a bite, a big bite. It's so satisfying to watch the cake gets bigger in the oven, and it smells so good. It's so creamy and buttery, and also it's so moist that any other cakes don't even compare. I don't know how it's possible, but it does. And the best thing is, this whole 6-inch cake only has about 230 calories and 15 grams of the carbs. And you will be worry-free that you can finish this whole cake off when you watch the movie. And if you like my recipe and like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also comment down below. Please subscribe me for more, and happy holidays. See you real soon. Bye.